Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today I'm going to be showing you how to store your small cap cryptos into the Exodus self-custody wallet. All right. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description down below. I personally love this exchange because, hey, as you guys can see, they have some extremely low fees, which is very, very nice. In addition to that, they've got over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade. And in addition to that, they do not require KYC. You can KYC if you want to, but it is not a requirement. All right. So, as many of you guys know already, I am a huge small cap altcoin nerd. And if you are too, you are going to simply want to store your small caps in self-custody rather than keeping them on the exchanges, especially if you're holding onto them through the peak of the next bull cycle, like I personally am. However, you guys, recently I've been getting a lot of DMs from people who cannot figure out how to store their small caps in self-custody wallets. So today I am going to be showing you my step-by-step process on how you can do it with the Exodus wallet. All right. But one thing that you'll need to keep in mind is that not all coins will be supported by all wallets, by like every wallet that's available. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is obviously download the Exodus wallet if you haven't already, okay? You will simply just go to the internet and type in exodus.com and you just download it from their website. It's as simple as that, all right? Or you can go to it on your mobile phone and you can download it in the App Store as well. It's just called Exodus Wallet, all right? So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is I will be showing you how to do it on a fresh install of the desktop version. And then after that, I'm going to explain where to go and how to do it on the mobile device, on your mobile device as well. But I obviously will not be able to visually show you on a mobile device since I'm filming on my laptop. All right. So here it goes, you guys. All right. After you've got the Exodus wallet downloaded and all set up and everything, here's what I want you to do. All right, so this is probably what it looks like. All right, this is a fresh install. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is you want to hit the settings icon in the top right hand corner, which is right up here. All right, so you'll hit the settings icon and it will come to a screen like this. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are in the assets tab, which is right here. All right. Literally just says assets right at the top. All right. Then on the far right hand side of the assets page, you will see this menu icon with 3 vertical dots. All right. You simply want to click on this and then click add custom token. All right. So once you are here, then you will simply need to pick which network the coin is on that you are looking for. So for this example, I'm going to be just using a simple token like Nakamoto Games, okay? So what you want to do here is you want to go to CoinMarketCap and you want to look up the coin and you want to see which network it's on. And while you're there, you also want to copy its main contact address as well. So this is what you would do. You go to CoinMarketCap, you type in the name of the coin. We're just going to type in Nakamoto Games here and go to its page. And right here under contracts, you can clearly see it's on the Polygon network. And you can see the contract address right here. And you literally just click this copy button. All right. So once you have it copied, you're good to go. All right. So after you've got the contract address copied, you will simply go back to Exodus at where your custom token section is. And what you are going to do is you are going to click on the network and you are going to go down to, well, since it is a Polygon coin, you're going to click on Polygon. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click search. And then it's going to bring up a little box right here and you are simply going to paste that address in there. Okay. Now, for me, since I already did this on the back end of things, it is already added to my list, so it's already here. So basically what's going to happen is when you paste in this address, a little box is going to come up right down here and it's going to say Nakamoto Games. You're simply just going to click it and it's going to give you some prompts to add it, okay? So literally after that happens, then you are going to, hold on, let me go ahead and re-add it back to mine. So once you add it to Exodus like you just did, then what you're going to do is from this page, from the assets page, you're just going to click the back button up here and you are going to be in your main portfolio, and you will see that you now have Nakamoto games in here. So from here, then you will simply be able to send your funds from the whatever exchange that you're using, and you can send it right to your Exodus wallet then. And you guys, you will want to repeat this same process for any other small caps that Exodus doesn't directly support, like Nakamoto Games, for instance, okay? And that's literally it. It's literally that simple. And from here, you will be able to send your tokens to your Exodus wallet, and you'll have full self-custody of them. However, one thing to do is when you're sending any amount of coins to any new address, it is very, very wise, all right? Now, this is very, very important part. It's very, very wise to only send a very small portion first, okay? Just to simply test it out and make sure that you're receiving your tokens to the correct address, okay? And if it all goes through smoothly, then hey, you can, you can go ahead and send the rest of your coins over, all right? Now, here's the thing, all right? For those of you who are on the mobile app, it is a little bit different as far as navigation is concerned, okay? So here's how to get to the custom tokens section, okay? Now, obviously, like I said, I am filming on my laptop, so I can't really show you. So just, bear with me here, all right? So here's the thing, when you are logged into your wallet on the mobile device, you should see a menu, like a little menu bar at the bottom of the page of pretty much any page that you're on. You'll see a little menu bar with a bunch of app icons on it, all right? So you should see an icon on the very far right-hand side that looks like 4 small squares, okay? You simply want to click that, and it'll take you to a page with even more icons to click on, okay? From here, you should see an icon that's simply labeled Assets, okay? And that's what you want to be clicking on, all right? Once you click Assets, you'll see that 3-dot menu icon in the top right-hand corner of the page like we discussed in the desktop version. So you'll simply want to click that. Oh, excuse me. You'll simply want to click that, and you will see an option to add custom tokens from there. All right, so just follow the same exact steps from the desktop version, and your new small cap tokens will be there. All right, so overall, guys, with how much overreach governments have been having, I mean, literally, with how much overreach governments like the SEC in the United States have been trying to take over crypto, holding your crypto in self-custody is literally a no-brainer, okay? I'm just here to help you navigate on how to do it, and you can do this with literally most self-custody wallets as well, but I mainly use Exodus, so I can't really speak for all the other self-custody wallets out there, all right? Now, if you guys have any questions about anything I mentioned in this video, hey, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter because I'm there quite often throughout the day and stuff, so, and I have, I love helping people out, so go ahead and, hey, feel free to ask me anything you want. But other than that, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.